unbox these here, one thing that you notice right off the bat is the quality of these mirrors. Take the packaging out here, but as we pull them out, just pull them out, you can feel the quality. Honestly, it felt even better than the OEM ones we took off. I understand they're 20 years old, but still a lot of cheap stuff that we've seen when you unbox it or order on eBay or Amazon that's claimed to be the same. The quality of the Boost Auto is untouched. Everything's put together really nice. They feel nice and stout and sturdy. And even the wire harness and everything, they just make it so easy. Everything's already plug and play. All the harnesses make sense. The link to the installation video is in the description. Step-by-step installations. Everything you need just comes all boxed up. I love with Boost Auto, whenever I order from them, I never have to question, hey, am I going to have to buy new parts or tools, or is there something that's going to be weird that doesn't actually work for my truck, like some of the other brands that I've ordered in the past. Everything works and just goes seamless. They're great products. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of the factory 2003 third gen tow mirrors compared to these Boost Auto upgraded mirrors. They do resemble the fourth gen style, and I really do like that. It's crazy how much difference just a straighter little line makes, especially on this truck with the flatbed and the straight lines in our black wheels that we have. We really like it. One of the biggest things is the way the blind spot mirror works, going all the way down. You'd think that it doesn't make a huge difference, but it gives you that added view right into the wheels of your truck and the tire, right where we don't have it with the factory ones. Right here, we're just going to show a little before. So this is the factory third gen on our 2003. And yeah, I mean, they're not bad, right? They look way better than the sport mirrors, but these new ones from Boost Auto are sick, and this truck really needed it. We have lights everywhere, cab lights, lights in the grill, lights along the sides, but we don't have anything in the mirror, and so it creates a dead spot. Just quick, like I said, the installation video is down in the description below, but just wanted to show a little bit how it looks like along the process. You can check yourself, make sure yours is looking the same as ours, but everything comes off pretty simple, especially if you do follow the installation video from Boost Auto Parts in the description below. Step by step, we didn't run into any issues at all. They're, like I said, they're really good with providing you not only the best product, but the easiest and best installation and step by step along the whole process. Everything's still plug and play. These ones are power folding too, as you saw in the opening video. We really like the power adjustments, and so there's even step-by-step video on installing the power adjustments to make it so that they'll power fold. One of the bigger things here, right, is as you pop that off, just get a little screwdriver and pop that out. We struggled with it a little bit, but then once we actually got it out, then all the wires slipped right through with ease. But look how sick these look compared to the factory ones. Here they are all lit up. Like I said, it really ties in this truck. We had lights everywhere, except we wanted the lights on the mirrors, and I think it really completes, and there's no more like shadow dead spot. Coming down the road, this thing looks mean. We love the switchback in the mirrors and match the blinkers. You'll notice when we turn the flashers off here, they'll switch right back to white.